Shooting Plus V3 is an app that allows users to connect third-party controllers to iOS devices and map on-screen touch controls to physical buttons. This tutorial outlines the steps to install the app, pair a controller, and create custom key mappings. What the app does: Shooting Plus V3 simulates touch inputs on the screen. By creating a key mapping preset, users can assign physical controller buttons to specific areas of the screen, enabling controller support in games that do not natively support them. Step 1. Install Shooting Plus V3. Open the App Store on your iOS device. Search for Shooting Plus V3, then install and open the app. Step 2. Put your controller into iOS mode. Place your controller into iOS or V3 mode, depending on your model. Common methods include holding the Y button plus Home button, pressing Ctrl plus 2 on keyboard converters, or using a dedicated V3 pairing button. The controller must be switched to iOS mode before Bluetooth pairing, otherwise it will not connect. Step 3. Pair the controller via Bluetooth. Go to your iPhone settings, open Bluetooth, and turn it on. Select your controller device from the list, for example, PC, PMC, NL. Wait until the connection is complete. The controller light should become stable when pairing is successful. Step 4. Open Shooting Plus V3. Launch the Shooting Plus V3 app. It should automatically detect your controller. If it does not, reconnect Bluetooth and try again. Step 5. Create game controls using key mapping. Open your game first and take a screenshot of the control screen. Return to the Shooting Plus V3 app and create a new preset. Add the screenshot as a background image. Drag buttons onto the screen to map physical controller inputs to on-screen touch positions. For example, map a button to shoot, a joystick to move, and another joystick to aim. Save the layout. Step 6. Start playing. Open your game again. Select your saved preset from within the Shooting Plus V3 overlay or app. Test the controls to ensure everything is working properly. Limitation. This method works only for games that allow touch input overlays. Some games may detect the key mapping overlay as an unauthorized input method. The controller must remain in iOS mode and connected via Bluetooth throughout gameplay. This setup is best suited for users who want to play touch-only mobile games with a physical controller. Conclusion. Setting up Shooting Plus V3 on iOS involves installing the app, putting the controller into iOS mode, pairing via Bluetooth, creating a key mapping preset using a screenshot of the game's controls, and saving the layout. The app simulates touch inputs based on the mapped buttons, allowing controller support in games that lack native compatibility.